Hello, welcome to Unit 2, Lesson 8, Comparing Relationships with Equations, Cool Down Answer Key. In this situation, it says Andre is setting up a rectangular tables for a party. He can fit 6 chairs around a single table. Andre lines up 10 tables end to end and tries to fit 60 chairs around them, but he is surprised when he cannot fit them all. Write an equation for the relationship between the number of chairs C and the number of tables T when the tables are apart from each other. So to help us write the equation, let's first look at a table and fill out this table. So if he can fit a total of 6 chairs around a single table, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means when he has one table, he will have 6 chairs. When he has 2 tables, so if I were to double that, I would add 6 more chairs, which is 12. And then for 3 tables, he would have 18 chairs. Now, if I try to figure out the constant of proportionality for this, I would say it's 6 over 1, which is 6, 12 over 2, which is 6, and 18 over 3, which is 6. So I know this is proportional because they all have the same constant of proportionality. I am multiplying the number of tables by 6 to figure out the number of chairs. Now, if I use T for tables and C for chairs, I would ask myself, what is being multiplied by the 6? Well, in this case, T is being multiplied by 6, so I would write that as 6T. Now that is going to be equivalent to the number of chairs. So my equation is going to be C equals 6T. Okay, I know that because the number of chairs is equal to 6 times the number of tables. So the next question asks if this represents a proportional relationship and to explain how you know. Well, in this case, yes, it does. And I know this because it is in the form of y equals kx. In this lesson, we talked about how when we're looking at proportional equations, we can't have any exponents, we can't have any adding or subtracting. All we can have is a variable being multiplied by a constant of proportionality. Now the third question I asked, does the equation y equals 2x plus 2 represent a proportional relationship? In this case, the answer is no. It does not. I know this because it is not in y equals kx form. There's an extra 2 being added. So because of that extra 2, that's right here, it is non-proportional. Thank you for watching.